In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test your microphone on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile on this page, and then on the left side, select sound. And over on the right side, you want to go down to your input versus choose your input device. Click the drop down and select your microphone from the list, and then you should be able to test your microphone down here. You can go about selecting device properties and turn up or down the volume. If it's currently disabled, you can enable just by unchecking that box. And that's pretty much it, guys. Again, you should be able to see or test your microphone here. And you can troubleshoot by selecting the troubleshoot option, which should hopefully walk you through common workarounds for that too. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.